Good morning, students. Are you ready with your science class? Come on. Today, all of you take your pencil, eraser. Nandini, what happened? Tired? Okay. Okay. So, get ready with your pencil, eraser, and we are going to write today's spellings which we learned last day in our class in our chapter Our Neighborhood. Okay. So, are you ready, Nandini? Get ready, beta. Come on. So the first one, all of you gave me the solutions last day that which are the neighborhood places where I should go and take my different types of different types of facilities, right? So let's see. Now today we are going to first write down the spellings, because these are the very important part which you should learn. The first one, SCHOOL, school. The first one is school. Second, MARKET, market. MARKET, market. Next comes park, PARK, park. Okay. Next comes I hope all of you can see the board. Sir, everyone can see the board. BANK, bank. SCHOOL, school. MARKET, market. PARK, park. Very good. Thank you. Come on. Now start writing, all of you. BANK, bank. And the fifth one is fire station. FIRESTATION, fire station. Fire station. Now I am going for the next part. I hope everyone can see the board. Now comes restaurant. REST. Okay? Yes. Restaurant. ESTAURANT. Restaurant. Okay. Sir, Shashmit has given one voice message. Okay. Next comes library. Shashmit, if you want to say something, Peter, please write in the chat box. Okay, please mute all. Okay, we are trying to do it as soon as possible. Library, LIBRARY, library. Next comes number 8, police station. Police station. Police station. POLICE, police station. STATION, S-T-I-O-N, police station. Next comes post office. Number 9, post office. Post office. Okay, so P-O-S-T, post office. O-F-F-I-C-E, post office. Next comes number 10, that is hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Okay. So everyone, please write down. Come on, come on, come on. First. You have completed, everyone? Everyone has completed? Okay, Nandini has completed. Very nice. Come on, Nandini. If you have not completed, complete it, beta. No problem. Very good. Arjo, Shattoki, Shomrik, Trishita. Very good. Very nice. So everyone has completed, right? Okay. Very good. Still 2 more are there. So shall I rub this part? Shall I rub this part? Okay. So I am rubbing 1 to 5. Okay? Okay, Nandini is typing something. Let's see. I am rubbing this part 1 to 5. Okay. So here comes 11, that is bus stop. Bus stop. And number 12, railway station. Railway station. Along with this, I want to add one more, that is zoo. Okay. Zoo is also a place where we go for our, yes, holidays, weekend, right? Everyone completed? Up to 13, everyone has completed? Yes. So Ayushman is telling he has completed his work. Shamrik also. Okay, no problem, Nandini. Complete it. Ankita, Ritika, Orgho, Shattuki. No problem, Afreen. Write down. I will not rub the board. Write down. Come on. Take your time. Very good. Every student will write on their own. Nandini is writing on her own. Afreen is writing on her own. Very good. Each and every student of mine, I hope, is writing on their own. Yes. So can I see the videos of my students writing on their own? Okay, Shushobhan is writing. Very good. Okay, very nice. Okay, so now let's go for the next part. Okay, now we are going to do matching. Everyone has completed, right? Okay, Afreen, I think now you have completed, beta. Afreen, I hope you have completed. Yes, very good. Now let's go for the next part. Now put the heading. I'm just rubbing this part so that I can get enough space for writing. Here comes the next heading, match. Come on, all of you. Next heading, match. Now I am going to give you some words here and we have to match it, column A with column B. Okay? So let's start. First 5. This is column A and this is column B. Everyone write down. Everyone is writing. Yes. So in column A, we are having bank, police station, restaurant, bus stop and hospital. Let's see what we are getting in column B. Okay. And next comes so here in column A we are having bank, police station, restaurant, bus stop, hospital. Whereas in column B, I hope you can see now, in column B we are having sick, food, money, policeman and bus. It can be policeman or police women. Okay. So next comes, let us match it. So bank will be matched with what? Can anyone tell me the answer? Bank will be matched with what? So Ayushman and Nandini is writing. Very good, Ayushman. Very good, Nandini. Anyone more wants to try? Yes, Argho. Very good, Argho. Very good, Arjut, Trishita, Inakshi, Afreen. Very good, Shugato. Very nice. So bank will be matched with money. Okay. Bank will be matched with, very good, Ritika, Shushobhan, Shugato. Excellent. Bank will match with money. Now let's go for the next one. police station will be matched with policeman or policewoman. Okay, very good. So police station with policeman or policewomen. Okay, very good. Next comes restaurant. Very good. All my students have given the correct answer. Next comes restaurant. So restaurant is matched with Ayushman, Nandini, Orgho, Shushobhan, Arjo, Trishita, okay, Inakshi has given the answer for both the questions. Okay, Shugato, very nice. Ankita, Shushobhan, excellent. Restaurant, we go to restaurant to have our meal. So we get food at restaurant. Very good. Now next comes bus stop. Can anyone tell me bus stop is being matched with which one? Very good, Arjo. Very good, Ayushman. Excellent, Orgho, Nandini, Shugato, Afrin, Inakshi, Shushabhan. Excellent. So bus stop has to be matched with bus. Next comes hospital. So hospital will be matched with? Yes, very good. Ayushman, very nice. Nandini, Arjo, Afrin, Shamrik, Shushabhan, very good. Inakshi, so hospital will be matched with sick. Right? Very good. So students, it's a request to all of you, everyone will do the homework of learning all the spellings, 13 spellings which I taught you today. You have to learn them by heart, because during the next class we are going to do one special activity with these spellings. Okay, so you need to learn the spellings very nicely. Till that time, take care of yourself and bye bye.